Welcome students. Today's session discuss 11th standard chemistry, physical and chemical equilibrium discuss. So most important topic questions like that law of mass action, relationship between Kp Kc. Consider like that law of mass action is the number of molecules is considered mole based in the functions of volume based on reactant and product part involved to the reactions. So relationship between involved to the chemical kinetics or chemical equilibrium of pressure Kp and chemical equilibrium of Kc concentration discuss relationship. And next important formations of hydrogen iodide. So hydrogen molecules and iodine molecules to form of one product, two or more molecules or more atom combined with the form of one molecule or compound is called formation reaction. So hydrogen iodide formation discuss in based on apply Kp-Kc relationship. And dissociation of PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride dissociation. So phosphorus pentachloride dissociation, one molecule or compound divided into the two or more molecules like that dissociation. So phosphorus trichloride and chlorine is also divided in the dissociation of PCl5 apply the Kp-Kc relationship. And synthesis of ammonia same apply to the Kp-Kc relationship. And Le Chatelier principle, Van Hoff equation, that is the most important questions in physical and chemical equilibrium. So effect of concentration and effect of pressure temperature is the slightly important 25%. And heterogeneous homogeneous equilibrium and equilibrium calculation is also slightly important question. So most important 3 mark question or 5 mark questions like that Kp-Kc relationship, hydrogen iodide, PCl5, ammonia synthesis. And 2 mark or 3 mark questions like that most important law of mass action, Le Chatelier principle, Van Hoff equation, and final one equilibrium calculations like that. Next you will be consider law of mass action. So law of mass action, any instant reaction for rate of a chemical reaction, the given temperature directly proportional to the product active mass of the reactant. So rate reactant, the X is also mole. Active mass consider N divided volume mole dm cubic inverse. So next important 5 mark or 3 mark discuss relationship between Kp and Kc. So what is the example? Consider reactant and product. This is a reactant part, this is a product part. So like that example, A type of element or molecules is a X mole, B type of element Y mole is also A and B reacted and give the product is C type of molecules and D type of molecules is the mole is L and M. Okay, so next will be consider equilibrium constant Kc equal to product by reactant. Next let us consider relationship Kp and Kc is a Kc equal to product by reactant. What is the product, students? Is the mole concept is the power value, is the mole concept means L and M. So C is a molecule, so product means C, power value is number of mole L, D power of M divided product reactant part A power X and B power Y. So that equation is a 1 consider. Next will be Kp is also follow that the same molecules involved to the pressure, same molecule involved to the pressure apply to the P, all molecules apply to the P. That equation consider equation number 2. So apply ideal gas equation already known, well learned for 6th lesson, PV equal to nRT. So P we find out, so V is also dividing, so N divided V RT is a N divided V is number of active mass. Consider N divided V is a pressure of active mass into RT or gas constant T temperature. So apply every molecules apply to RT mole of values. So P of A power x equal to A power x RT power x. P of B power y equal to B power y RT power y is also P of C, pressure of C power L equal to C power L RT power L. P of D power M equal to D power M RT power M. That equation consider equation 3. So here apply equation 3, apply to equation 2. Apply to equation 2. So equation 2 will be apply, is the position will be consider C, find out here one is also apply, and next D is the find out D power M is RT apply, and divide the product A, P of A equal to apply A power x here, and next B is also apply. Next that simplify is all consider of RT power values. So consider RT power L plus M, mathematically changed. Another C power L, D power M, RT power L plus M, A power x, B power y, RT power x plus y. X plus y, the x plus y is also simplified to the above the values. So common Kp equal to chemical equilibrium pressure equal to C power L D power M divided A power x B power y RT L plus M minus the divided into top minus x plus y. So this is also number of moles N. Consider variations of delta, that molecule is gas, so that part fully is a delta Ng, number of gas molecules. That part already consider is equation 1. Equation 1 is a Kc values. So Kc values is also same also here. Same also here. So apply that part fully Kc, that part fully delta Ng. So it will be Kc is written by here one Kp equal to Kc and RT power delta Ng. So find out the chemical equilibrium reactions. Case 1 Kp equal to Kc, reactant and the product are same, values is the delta Ng value is 0, means Kp equal to Kc. Delta Ng values, number of gas molecules value, positive values mean Kp is greater, consider Kc. So consider the delta Ng value negative means Kp is lesser than, greater than of Kc. Kc is greater than, chemical equilibrium value is greater. Next will be consider like that. So that equation is a relationship between Kp Kc relationship. So three values delta Ng values, consider some example of equation also given below. So some example, case 1, case 2, case 3. So delta G value 0, delta G values is a positive, delta G value negative. Three equations also just example like that. Delta G equal to Np minus Nr. Np is number of mole product, number of mole reactant, and will be consider two equations, one Kp Kc relationship formula, another one delta Ng formula. So first sum apply, first sum will be written. So you will be write 1 mole here, also equal side is a 1 mole. Another here also already write 2 mole. So reactant part here, product part here. So 1 plus 1 2 mole. So number of product 2 mole, number of reactant 2 mole. So apply of the formula, number of product 2 mole minus number of reactant 2 mole. So delta G value is 0. So Kp equal to Kc RT power delta Ng value 0 apply. So that part fully 0. Kp equal to Kc. LHS RHS is equal mole balanced. So pressure and chemical equilibrium equal values. So some discuss second equation. Ammonia decomposes into nitrogen and hydrogen molecules. Here also reactant part 2 mole. So number of reactant 2 mole, write it. Number of product part nitrogen 1 mole. Here another 3 mole of hydrogen. Total number of product 4 mole. Number of product 4 mole, like that. So number of product minus reactant 4 minus 2 apply. 4 minus 2 apply. So delta Ng values is positive 2, negative positive 2. So apply of the formula Kp equal to Kc RT power delta Ng values is 2. So this is a positive value. So pressure will be increased. Consider chemical equilibrium. The pressure will be increased. Kp greater than Kc. Kc is also considered lesser than values. Kp is greater values. Next will be consider negative delta Ng negative values will be considered. Like that example is a water molecule formation of water hydrogen molecules with oxygen to form of water molecules. So number of product 2 mole, number of reactant 2 plus 1 3 moles. So product minus reactant 2 minus 3, delta Ng values is negative 1. So apply to negative 1 is the negative means Kc is greater. Kp is Kc, consider Kc is greater. This is a example. So most important, any equation for given will be calculate of delta Ng values. Any equations is also given for exam. Follow that. Forward and reactant equations will be calculate delta Ng values 2 mark questions. So 3 mark questions, like that will be consider Kp Kc values, very important 3 mark. This is a very important 3 mark. This is a very important 3 mark. Another consider like that. Next important 2 mark law of mass action. So today discuss very important law of mass action, 2 mark or 3 mark. Next will be consider 3 mark questions, like that relationship between the Kp Kc. Next will be discussed. So any given the example for equation to given will be calculated of delta Ng values. So any equations is also given, you will be calculate of product and reactant moles consider. So this is also 2 equation also given, calculate delta Ng values means 2 mark question. 3 equations also given, so 3 mark questions. So most of importance. Thank you to all students. Next session will be discuss formations of hydrogen iodide and PCl5 ammonia synthesis. 3 questions also, 3 5 mark, most important. Thank you to all students. Next class will be discuss.